Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. We're in the middle of the week and I wanted to make this video because I finally got my first subscription box or bag from Morphe Me, which finally came in after a whole bunch of problems that we were having, I was having with the company and myself. It was just more like address and all that stuff, but I wanted to unbox it with you or unbag it, however you want to say it. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment if you have Morphe Me or if you get the same products that I do, or I'm sorry, the same brushes I do. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is 3 times a week. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Alright, so this is how it comes. For those of you that don't know what Morphe Me is, it's a bag and it's a monthly subscription service that you pay. I think it's $21. I could be wrong. I'll put it in the description below so that you know how much it is. I think I could get a link for you guys so you can go click on it and then look at all the options. Now this is a brush subscription bag, which is from Morphe, so you're getting brushes, you're getting Morphe brushes. So yeah, anyway, this is how it is. I'm going to cover my address and yeah, let's go ahead. I haven't opened this. I literally just went and picked it up from the mailbox, so we'll see. So this is everything that comes with it. The theme is pumpkin spice and everything nice. So that's it. And I will go through each brush. I think you get from 3 to 6 brushes probably. I'm not quite sure. Sorry, my phone is going off. Alright, then you get this little card. I don't know. My camera doesn't like to focus, so it just says Live Glam. They have 3 subscriptions: Kiss Me, Morphe Me, and Shadow Me. So Kiss Me is liquid lipsticks. I'm assuming I've seen them, but I've never had them. Morphe Me obviously is the brushes from Morphe. And Shadow Me is individual shadows, from my understanding. And this little card says, "Hey gorgeous, congrats. You just picked up an awesome free prize. Feels good, doesn't it?" Sometimes, yeah. Find out how to earn even more free prizes at liveglam.com/rewards. So that's that. And you also get, I think if you go in there and rate the brushes and see what you like, then you get points. So that's kind of a good deal. And I think you can redeem them and get you get something. Okay, so the first brush we're getting is this one. I do apologize if the camera doesn't focus on these, but I will have them in the description down below. So this first brush is the E30 Blending Fluff brush. So I know it probably won't focus, but we'll try. And let's see what it says on this. So it has, okay, the E30 and the E37, which is this little brush. And I'll take them out of the bag. Yeah, this is the E37. So the E30 and the E37, Blending Fluff and Small Detail. Oh my god. This Blending Fluff and Small Detail brush are the perfect duo. Whip shadows seamlessly into your crease with the E30 and add a dash of glam to the inner corner with the E37. So have those. I'm going to take these out of it. I apologize. If I struggle to speak, reading is even worse. So this is what it is. And don't know, I have mentioned in my previous videos that most of my brushes have come from this subscription. I used to have it, I think, a year or two ago, and I canceled it, and now I have it again because I figured that's a better way to get brushes instead of buying them all the time. So, and this is part of the Elite, is it Elite collection? It could be. I have a few of these already. So this is a very flat brush. I don't know if you can tell. See, it's a very flat brush. I like it. Definitely be using. My eyes are very small and hooded. Yeah. My eyes are very small and hooded, so some of these bigger brushes are really hard to use because they'll cover my whole lid. But I'll definitely use these. You'll see me using that. And then the E37. They're nicely wrapped in these, so you know that they're coming from the place. The E37, very, very tiny. I'll put it right there. So this is what it looks like. Perfect for the inner crease. And, okay, what's next? The E25 brush. It's called Pointed Foundation / Concealer Blender Brush, which is this one. So it's a little bit big. This is the bigger one out of all of them. So in the little, I'm going to read this. It says E25 Pointed Foundation / Concealer Brush. This double-ended brush lets you have your pie and eat it too. Use the large end for a flawless foundation application and the small end to brighten things up with concealer. So this is your foundation shade. This is your foundation side. This is a little stiff and a little flexible. I don't know if I would use this for foundation, to be honest. Maybe to remove the powder, but I'm okay with it. And then this is your concealer side. This is a little stiff for my concealer. So this is the brush. It's pretty nice. Very soft. I don't mind these. Alright, so the next one is the E22 brush. Let's take it out of here. Let's see what this says about the E22 brush. It doesn't say anything about it. This could have been the prize or the free item that I earned, and I think I chose this one. So these are all Morphe brushes, and I think these are all coming from the same collection. So it's a pretty soft brush. I think you can use it for your eyes. I'll put in this description below what that one is for because I have no idea. Alright, so the next one is the E35 brush. It's a very tiny brush. And this one says it's a detail smudger. So don't be afraid to take whisk with this detail smudger. This short, dense brush is perfect for smoking out the lower lash line or giving any shade an extra kick. So that is cool. I really like this. You can also, I think, I would use it for cutting out my crease. I have really big ones. Oh yeah, this is very dense. Very dense. So this is what that looks like. Now, I would probably use this to cut the crease. But I like this very thin. The other, I'm going to show you the other brushes I have from, I think it's the same collection. The other brushes from that collection. Hold on. These are ours. And okay. I guess I only had one brush, which is the E6 brush, which is this flat one. I think this is for foundation as well. I've had this one for a while now. But I did want to let you guys know that I don't specifically use each brush for what it's meant to be. I think that whatever works for you with the brush, then you can use the brush however you want to. You don't specifically have to use as indicated or what it's actually for, because we all have different eye shapes, we all have different face shape, and not all brushes are going to be the same for everybody. So I just wanted to say that because I know I don't use certain brushes that are meant for certain things the right way. I use it my own way and how I feel best works for me. That makes sense. Alright guys, so I know it's a short video, but that was it. These are all the brushes I got. I got 5 brushes, which is not bad. And I really like some of these. And I can't wait to use them because I do need more brushes. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited with me. And if you guys want to sign up, I'll leave the link down below. It's just like a reference link. I don't get anything from it. I don't think so. I think I might get points, but that's it. Or a prize, like a free item, but that's it. I'll leave all the information that I talked about, or the brushes information, down below in my comment in my description box. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love sharing and unboxing and unbagging and stuff with you guys. I will have a first impressions video going up soon, I promise. I have so much makeup to play with. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below which brush you're excited the most about, or if you are looking into subscribing to Morphe Me or any other of the subscription options. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is 3 times a week. Alright guys, thank you so much for your support, and I love you all. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. Happy Wednesday. It's hump day, so happy Wednesday. Hey guys, I don't know, I think I've mentioned it in my previous videos. If you don't know, I think I've mentioned it in the previous. If you okay.